YouTube. What is going on? It's your boy T. Back again today with the beater box as always. Today I got another Soul Supremacy box. I don't know if I'm gonna be getting any more from that company. They kind of hard to grab too from the statement video from like 2 videos ago. But this one is from Soul. $900 Soul Supremacy box. Pretty excited to check it out. I actually got 2 of them. I got a $825 one over here also, so try to get these videos out to y'all ASAP. We just gonna jump right in. Try not to hold y'all too long. Y'all know I like to get straight to the point. Like I said, man, pretty excited for this one. I don't know why. I think because like that $900,000 boxes so far this year have been the best ones I picked up this year, profit wise. So, and shoe wise, I mean, like I've been seeing some cool stuff that brought back some dope memories. So all right, off top I'm already seeing something I like in this one. $900. I've gotten this pair about 900 times. We have the LAKEY 5s. These are a size 12. No box. Oh, hold on.
Later. 20 minutes later.
Alright, I'm back. LAKEY 5s, no box. Boom, check them out. These are pretty good shape. Like I said, I've gotten these about 900 times. Now, I don't know how many times I've gotten these, but I've had them plenty. Size 12, really good shape, just no box. They'll probably move pretty fast. Shaking my head because I see a nice pair down there, no lid on it. We have a Retro 3 here, the shoe that everybody wanted to come back but didn't sell out when it did. We got the Mocha 3s, man. Everybody wanted this shoe to come back and get retroed, and then when it did, I seen some people post on Instagram, they seen it in Nike outlets, but I mean, I'm pretty sure they're not there anymore. These are 10.5 Retro 3 Mocha. As you can tell, again, in great shape. You can judge those 3s and those 1s by the stars on the bottom. So, got a little bit of a scuff right here on the toe. Hopefully I can get that out. Pretty sure just looks like dirt, really. And got the Nike receipt in there. Got a big old receipt in there. So yeah, whoever bought these one on the shopping spree, check out, I'm just curious, look at this receipt. Whoever bought these one on the spree probably was a reseller because they had a heck of discounts on there. But that ain't none of my business. But they will come with their receipt. Size 10.5, my size, but I do not need them. This is what I was shaking my head at. We got a Jordan 11 Pantone, and I don't know what this lace lock goes to, but these are 9.5. Came with that pack. This is what everybody wanted in the pack. 9.5, really good shape. These are pretty solid. Just need a good little wipe down, but 11s obviously still move pretty fast. Trying to make sure ain't no creases or cracks in the patent leather. These are solid. Unfortunately, that's how the box looks since they came in that pack. So you won't be getting no lid or nothing like that. Wow. Right underneath that, we have another Jordan 11. These are also a 9.5. And these are the prom nights. Take out both of them because they are not dead stock. Thought I heard something rolling around in the box. Check it out. About the same condition as the Pantones. 9.5. If these would have been a 10.5, this would have been an instant keeper. All black Jordan 11. These are hard. I don't have these in my collection, but I will be definitely trying to get them. Y'all gotta excuse my son in the background. I don't know why he tripping like that. I'm pretty sure y'all can hear him even though my door is shut. Jordan 6 Gatorades, size 10. Boom. Had these Sold them cheap too. Like as soon as I drove off from selling them, I was like, yeah, I probably should have held these. These are tough, man. These are tough. These are gonna sell very fast. Size 10. Again, if these were 10.5, I would have been keeping them. Come with the towel. Way better than the white pair. This is like a premium pair. These are dope, man. That orange on a dope model. The 6s are just clean. Very, very nice. Let me show y'all the other one, man. These are not dead stock. I keep on pulling out one. But really good shape, as you can tell. Size 10. Very nice. Very nice. These will sell very fast. Got all kind of random stuff in the box. So. Box in great shape. We got 3 pair left. I got another loose pair in here. I'll get that out the way. Another pair of 11s. We got 3 pair of 11s in this box. I know this is just a kid size. Size 5. Size 5, 72 and 10s. Check them out. Pretty clean for a kid shoe. Really clean. Or maybe it was worn by a lady or, you know, an adult. But these are clean. They are not dead stock, but very, very clean. Had a double look at that. They look real cool. All right, we got a 9.5 with that good old Sole Supremacy tag on there. 12s. We got 3 pair of 11s. Why not throw some 12s in there? These Hyper Royal 12s. Again, this was a pretty sought after 12 where I'm at anyway. These are, I don't know if I told you the size, 9.5. So 9.5 people, if you are watching this video, this one is for you. Check those out. Check out the bottom, man. These are in pretty good shape. Every shoe I pulled out are in really good shape. The suede and everything is still solid on these. Again with the receipts. Another easy move with the original box. Makes it even easier. Last up, another 12. Jordan International. Size 10. I already know what these are. The International Jordan 12, size 10. I have never seen these in person, but when they came out, I was kind of a fan of them. To me, I like these better than Obsidians. Got the details in the upper, premium feel to them. Really good shape. This box is gold. They just wrong sizes. I need 10.5 11s. Check these out though, man. These are 10. This box is nice, man. This box got some heat in it. 3 pair of 11s, 2 pair of 12s. You got Mocha 3s. You got Laney 5s. I mean, golly, Gatorade 6s. I am not complaining at all. This box is gold. For 900 bucks, not bad at all. Everything should be really easy to move. I mean, dang. This was a really good box. Not complaining at all. I might jump over and just do this 825 box now. And I won't add it with this video. I'm gonna do 2 separate videos. If you are new to the channel, make sure you hit that sub button. Make sure you follow me everywhere at TGOTSOLE. Thank y'all for watching, taking time out your day to check me out. Hopefully you can see me a little bit better. Your boy got a new iPhone, so hopefully that helps out the quality. I'm still working on the background back here, trying to figure out what I'm gonna do with this room. I don't know how I want to play it yet. Took all the hats down because they were just getting too dusty and beat up, so took them down. Need to dust them, put them in one of those clear containers, one of them huge ones, just to preserve them a little bit better. And I'm just rambling now, but man, thank y'all for checking me out. Make sure you hit that sub button if you haven't, notification bell, all that cool stuff. There should be another video right after this one. That's gonna conclude it, man. I'm out. Peace.